If you already have a size chart as an image that fits your products perfectly, recreating it from scratch can take time. With Kiwi Size Chart, you can simply import it instead. Using Sizing Image AI, you can extract your size table in just a few clicks. Let me show you how it works. Start by opening your Kiwi app dashboard, then click Add New Size Chart in the upper right corner. You'll see different options to create your chart. Go ahead and click Import from Image. From here, you can either upload an image from your device or paste an image URL. For this example, let's upload an image. If you happen to upload the wrong file, you can easily click Change Image to replace it, and it won't use another credit. Once your image is uploaded, you can crop it to focus on the size chart. This helps improve accuracy when Kiwi scans the table. When everything looks good, click Generate Size Chart. Kiwi will then use Sizing Image AI to detect and convert your size table into an editable chart. You'll also see an option called Use Tables Only. Turn this on if you want to extract just the table, or leave it off if you'd like to include any additional text from the image. After that, take a moment to review the result. If everything looks correct, click Use this size chart to add it to your store. And that's it. Your size chart is now ready, and you can continue customizing it inside the editor to match your store perfectly. If you ever need help, the Kiwi support team is always there to assist you.